what a wonderful view to start our day. A fine weather, thanks God. Good morning! Earlier this morning, I took this video and it's very cold and foggy in here. So as you can see, it's very blurry due to the fog. It's very cold! Sagada or Baguio feels. Ang lamig dito, kasing lamig ng ex mo, Altar. Now it's more brighter. That's the banay or the flower of the sugar canes in full bloom. Auntie Bibi is showing her lemons to us. And this white rabbit, not the candy, but the real one. Aside from white, the brown and gray. So cute! Impersonal promise, Mark the bear.
Rabbit! Hello! Ka-cute!
Trying to touch the rabbit.
Naulaw siya.
They also have the silky chicken. It's very cute, silky chicken. And bantam, the very tiny one. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.